So we had a front body and a back body. That marula flattens, that ball. And off of this front body, we created a yolk sac. And on the back body, we created an amniotic cavity. So now, where the yellow ball is touching the blue ball is the front body, and where the blue ball is touching the yellow ball is the back body. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not totally a lecture. This is very far along the line. So as an old person, if you have a yoga class for elderly people, maybe balancing on one leg is difficult. But if you add the yolk sac, you can balance on the yolk sac. And you can it's different. If you have trouble going backward because the spine is stiff, if you feel your amniotic cavity, you can go back, and you can go forward, and you can fall back. Now, it's not here anymore, right? Do you see it? But do you see it? It's here. People say, well, is that a metaphor? Well, I don't know if I could balance on a metaphor. So then we could say, well, do you have any memories of anything ever? Are they metaphors? So I remember. I was there. I remember. So leave everything where it is. Your turn to remember.